Hi, I'm Michelle Strange, registered dental hygienist with TePe Oral Healthcare with this TePe tip. Bad breath is a concern for many, and persistent malodors can be upsetting. Bad breath or halitosis is a complex issue. It's a widespread misunderstanding that bad breath usually has to do with stomach problems. Yes, strongly flavored food and strong smelling drinks can be a temporary cause, but a very common reason is, in fact, poor oral hygiene. If you suffer from gum inflammation, known as gingivitis, or a more severe version known as periodontitis, your mouth contains an extra amount of bacteria that can contribute to bad breath. In these cases, professional treatment of the disease is necessary to help cure bad breath. Daily disruption of food particles and sticky bacteria between the teeth is very important. Not only do they cause bad breath, but they can create gum disease and cavities. Daily use of interdental brushes, on-the-go options like the TePe Easy Pick or dental floss is strongly advised. Each product can be tailored to your particular needs. Dental floss, like the TePe Mini Flosser, is great for teeth that are very close together or people who are not struggling with a dental disease like decay or gingivitis. The TePe Easy Picks are fantastic to use on the go and throughout the day. Using these after a meal is a great way to quickly disrupt the food particles that can work their way between your teeth. TePe has 9 different color-coded interdental brushes, so you can find the best size for the spaces between your teeth. Be sure to watch the TePe video on how to find the best sized interdental brush for your spaces. Visiting your dentist routinely and a daily habit of cleaning between your teeth is a great start to controlling bad breath. TePe is here to help you find the products that are tailored to clean those spaces between your teeth. Head over to TePeUSA.com for your toothbrushing needs, including the ones that go between your teeth.